so we don't have to like go to Cunningham Falls if we happen to end up at a place that's not that. But it's just kind of wild because we were like, oh yeah, we're gonna go check out the falls. I just hadn't had this very like distinct thing in my head, and now I'm like, I don't really know where we are. But it doesn't matter because it is beautiful. Man, I wish we had a dog. Bring our dog here, have fun frolicking in the leaves. Or Sammy on the leash. We're at one of the state parks here in Maryland, and we got this really cool state park pass thanks to my mom, so we've been trying to take advantage of it and visiting as many parks as we can. So today we're going to go on a little hike towards the waterfalls, and there's a lake here. What do you say instead of saying so or hey guys? It just feels like you always have to say something before when you just start a video. Yeah, just like get yourself into it. I don't know. Well, we're here at these really cool waterfalls, and it's not as, what's the word you use to describe waterfalls?
Full? I don't know.
Full. It's not as thick. There are not as many seas. There's not as much water rushing down the rocks as we expected. If there's a technical term for that, you can comment what it is so that we can be educated. But it doesn't matter. It's really pretty. You can probably hear it really loudly in the background anyways. And we're gonna enjoy it. Take some photos for Instagram and get some fresh air, right? You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. So.
It is. It's like perfect. You see that sky?
With this like high hairline, with this new haircut, my like forehead wrinkles are way more pronounced.
I think it's dope. I can't do it.
Yeah, you can't. It's a skill. I've worked long and hard on it.
What do you call it? Undercover brother. It was like.
So we're just coming back from, oh, what was it called?
Pryor.
Pryor Farm. It's really cool.
Pryor Orchard.
Pryor Orchard, right. Sorry, I said farm. But there's like other stuff here. But anyways, it's super cool because it's really fun and rewarding to buy stuff locally at your local farm, or you know, anybody who's working really hard to try to make their business work. So got some apples, some apple butter, right? We got some honey, sparkling cider.
You got a tiny pumpkin.
A teeny tiny pumpkin. Yeah, so I don't know. I would totally encourage you. We're just now really starting to try to commit to that, but to go buy your food locally or to see what's around, and you'll be surprised at how much you can get for your dollar and how much good you're doing for your local community. So we decided that we were gonna take a kind of mini road trip because we were tired of being at home, and we picked the rainiest, coldest day to do it. But we're here at this really beautiful lake. We're gonna kind of stop at different places along the way, get some food, and hang out. Da 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 da. These are sunflowers. Taste like strawberries on a summer evening. Look at. I got an acorn. The cutest acorn and some flowers.
It was just the timing. I'm like, I'm bleeding from this thorn.
You're just like,
But it's pretty.
I just
right?
did the same thing. Look at my hands. It is really pretty.
That was fun. Now my butt is browner than usual.
No, in theory, I think sharks are less scary, but like, in practicality, if I saw a shark,
You think you'd be more scared?
I think I probably would.
You're just not.
Mostly because I'm like,
You're in water.
you're in water, yeah,
Right.
and it's just like, I mean, I'm really comfortable in the ocean, but like, it's still not like my. You can smell it.
Smell what?
The lake or the pond. I don't know.
What is that?
Is this a lake or is it a pond?
It's a lake.
Is it? How? At what point does the pond upgrade to a lake?
Look how big this thing is.
Yeah, but I'm just saying there's got to be like a line where it changes from one to the other, and I've never really known where that is. Same with like hill to mountain. When does a hill become a mountain?
This one.
I guess so.
Oh, dude, those are massive.
When does a hill become a mountain?
I don't know. That's the point. They're like kind of the same. It's the same question.
It's from, this is the end. Hollywood Hills ain't no mountain. It's a hill.